Good morning, friends. Previous lecture discussed about this backward difference, how to retrieve, how to express the nebula cube, like a third backward differences, second backward differences, up to so on. Now, central differences. How to construct a table with central differences. Symbol of central difference is delta, not delta. Here, delta, central difference is delta. Here, the subscript of delta y for delta y for any differences is the average of the two members of the difference. Subscript of the two members of the difference. So how to retrieve the central differences? How to obtain the central differences? So subscript of delta y for any differences is the average of the subscript of the two members. We can obtain this delta y are average of the subscript of any two members of the differences. Suppose how to construct a table of the central differences. We have an entry here x, here y. So x0, so y x0, here y0. x1 that means x0 plus h. Here x1 that means x0 plus h. We retrieve a y1. x2 x0 plus 2h, here subscript y2. y x3 that means x0 plus 3h, y3. x4 x0 plus 4h, here y4. x5 x0 plus 5h, y5. Here we x6 x0 plus 6h, here y6. So here now first central differences. We obtained the first central differences. First central differences, that means delta y. So how to obtain delta y? So how to obtain delta y? That means first central difference is the average of the subscript of these two members of the difference. Average of this subscript, this is called a subscript. y0, 0 that means subscript. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is the subscript. So average of this subscript of this difference member. So y1 minus y0, but average of this subscript, so this is a 1 plus 0 by 2 average. સરરાશ કાઢવાની એટલે કે બેનો સરવાળો બે મેમ્બર છે એટલે છેદમાં 2. 1 plus 0 by 2 that means central difference is 1/2. First central difference is delta 1/2. Same as y2 minus y1 that means 2 plus 1 by 3 that means central difference is delta y 1/2. You can also write this delta y 1/2. So delta y 2 plus 1 by 3 delta y 3 by 2. y3 minus y5. So average of the subscript of these members of the difference 3 plus 2 by 2 5 upon 2. 4 plus 7 4 plus 3 by 2 7 by 2. 5 plus 9 by 5 plus 4 that means 9 by 2. An average of these two terms, the first central difference is delta y 11 by 2. Now the second central difference is how to obtain the second central differences are, so you can represent it as delta square y. So again central differences, so second central differences are obtained from this column. First central differences are obtained from this column. So average of this subscript of the y. So delta square y and average of this subscript 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Average લેવી એટલે બેનો સરવાળો છેદમાં 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 2. That means 4 by 2, 2, 2 by 2. That means here 1. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 upon 2. So delta square 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2, that means here y2. 7 plus 5 12 upon 2 6, 6 upon 2, that means 3. Average of these two terms 9 by 2 plus 7 by 2 upon 2. So delta square y4. 11 by 2 plus 9 by 2, delta square 10 by 2, that means y5. Third central difference is delta cube y. So again, average of these two difference, member of these two, subscript of this member of this difference. So delta cube y 2 plus 1 by 2, that means 3 by 2. Same as delta cube y 3 plus 2 by 2, that means 5 by 2. Again, average of subscript of this, average of this member of this difference are delta cube 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. Same as delta cube y 5 plus 9, 9 by 2. Fourth central difference is represent delta 4y. Again, delta 4y, that means the fourth differences are obtained from this column. So average of the subscript of these two members. So fourth central differences of y average 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 upon 2. 8 by 2 4, 4 by 2, that means 2. 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that means 12 by 2. 6 upon 2, that means delta square y 3. Here delta raised to 4, 9 by 2 plus 7 by 2, 8, 8 by 2, that means 4, by 4. So you can write this fifth central differences, sixth central differences and so on. But here one thing remember, whenever the even differences are obtained, second forward differences, fourth forward differences, and again six central differences. Whenever we obtain this second, fourth, sixth, if you see the horizontal line, you can see this is an integer value. Second difference is y2, fourth difference is fourth difference is of y2, fourth central difference is of y2. So even differences have an integer suffix. In second, the horizontal line, even differences have a integer suffix, and odd differences have a fractional પૂર્ણાંકમાં. odd differences માં suffix તમે જોવો છો તો કેવા છે? એવું લખી શકી odd differences have fractional suffix. even એટલે બેકી differences જેટલા આપણે મેળવેલા આપણે have a integer suffix. એટલે કે સેકન્ડ માં હોરિઝોન્ટલ લાઈન ની અંદર આપણે જેટલા પણ ડિફરન્સીસ આવશે, અહીંયા આ સેકન્ડ છે, અહીંયાથી 4 છે, બધા કેવા આવશે? એમાં બધા ઇન્ટીજર પૂર્ણાંક આવશે. અને ફર્સ્ટ માં જોઈએ તો આ જોઈ શકો છો, સેકન્ડ ડિફરન્સીસ પૂર્ણાંક, ફોર્થ ડિફરન્સીસ પૂર્ણાંક, 6 જોઈશો તો એ પણ ઇન્ટીજર પૂર્ણાંક. ત્યારે ફર્સ્ટ માં સફિક્સ જે ચેક કરશો એ બધા કેવા છે? ફ્રેક્શનલ છે. We can retrieve these central differences here. So one thing remember, that whenever we obtain y1 minus, whenever we write y1 minus y0, so delta y0, that means the first forward differences. y1 minus y0, nebula y1, that is the backward differences, first backward differences, and y1 minus y0, that means central differences. So how to obtain the central differences? The subscript of the average of these two members of the difference. So y 1 plus 0 by 2, that means 1/2. So first central differences, write this, backward differences and forward differences. You can remember this thing. Now, one has to, let us see example how to construct a table of forward differences and backward differences. From a table of backward differences, of the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 1 for x is equal to minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 and 4. Here given function y is equal to f of x cube plus 4x square minus 5x plus 1. We find the value of this function for this data, for this observation. So we have an entry x and y is equal to f of x. So entry y is equal to f of x, we have an argument x for the minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the value of whenever we put minus 2? So f of minus 2. So how to retrieve the y is equal to f of minus 2? So f of minus 2. Whenever we put this minus 2 in this function, minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square, that means 16, minus 2, that means plus 10 plus 1. So this is a 19, the value of 19. Whenever we put minus 1 there, so f of minus 1 minus 1 cube, minus 1 square, minus 1 here, so minus minus plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9. F of 0, whenever we put the 0 in f of x, so we have an entry 0, 0, 0 and plus 1, that is the plus 1. F of 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5, and this is also 1. F of 2, 2 cube 8 plus 2 square 4 into 4, 16 minus 5 into 2 plus 1. 16 plus 8, 24 minus 10, 14 plus 1, that means 15. Sorry, 1 for 1, 2 for 15. F of 3, whenever we put 3 value, then 3 cube 27 plus 3 cube 3 square 9 plus 9 into 4 36 minus 16 plus 1. Here 36, 21, 27 and 49. And f of 4, that means 4 cube 64 minus 64 minus 20 plus 1, that means, sorry, minus 4 plus positive, so here positive. 64 plus 64, 128, 128 minus 108 plus 1, so 109. Here from a table of backward differences of this function, f of x is equal to, so we put and we obtain this backward differences table. So how? Here first backward differences table. First backward, that means nebula y. How to retrieve this nebula y? 9 minus 19, y1 minus y0, 9 minus 19, that means minus 10, 1 minus 9, minus 8, 1 minus 1, 0, 15 minus 1, 14, 49 minus 1634 and 109 minus 49, that means 60. First backward difference is. Here also second backward difference is nebula square y. y2 minus y1, that means nebula y2. Same here, minus 8 minus plus 10, that means plus 2. 0 minus plus positive. 14 minus 0. 34 minus 14. 16 minus 40, here 24. Third backward difference is nebula cube y. 8 minus 2, 6. 14 minus 8, that is 6. 20 minus 14, 6. 24 minus 20, that means 4. Here, fourth backward difference is 6 minus 6, 0, 6 minus 6, 0, 4 minus 6, minus 2. Here, 16 minus 34, that means 26. Here also 6. 6 minus 6, that means this and they are 0. So again, whenever we have a fourth backward differences are all 0, so again any of this difference, any order of this difference is also a 0. So we have an entry, we have an argument minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 of function f of x, and we construct a backward difference table. Note down. Let us see some example. If the interval of differencing is unity, then prove that first one. Delta, forward difference, delta sine x is equal to, prove 2 sine 1/2 cos x plus 1 by 2. First of all, if the interval of differencing is unity, interval of differencing that is represented as is unity, that means h is equal to 1. Here h is equal to 1, so we prove that delta first forward differences of sine x is equal to this term. So how to obtain the first forward differences of sine x? So here delta y0, that means y1 minus y0, that means delta y0. So first forward differences are, here y0 હોય તો અહીંયા y1 હોય. તો અહીંયા માઇનસ સાઇન એક્સ જે બાદ થતું હોય અહીંયા લખાય, જે બાદ થાય એનો ડેલ્ટા મળે. તો ડેલ્ટા સાઇન એક્સ જોયું હોય તો માઇનસ સાઇન એક્સ કરીએ તો ડેલ્ટા સાઇન એક્સ મળે. તો સાઇન, તો અહીંયા શું લખવું પડે? એક્સ ની અંદર એક્સ કિંમત ઉમેરાય એ, તો એક્સ પ્લસ એચ, that means the entry, that means interval of this differencing are equal interval h. We represent this as entry h. But here we can here given that if the difference interval of differencing બે entry વચ્ચેનો differencing is a unity, આપણે આવું લખ્યું છે કે x0, x1 that means x0 plus h, x2 that means x0 plus 2h. તો આ બધી જ ઇન્ટરવલ, આ બધી એન્ટ્રી વચ્ચેનો ડિફરન્સિંગ કેટલાનો છે? h નો. પણ ડિફરન્સિંગ, ઇન્ટરવલ ઓફ ડિફરન્સિંગ ઇઝ યુનિટી, that means value of h is equal to 1. So s minus s, so here we can put the h is equal to 1, so x plus 1 minus sin x. You can remember this most important equation, s minus s, s plus s, c plus c, c minus c. So s minus s, that means 2cs. S plus s, that means trigonometric equation c plus c 2cc c minus c minus 2ss s plus s s plus s and 2sc and s minus s 2cs. So here s minus s minus s, that means 2cs, 2 cos and sine. So 2cs, that means 2 cos. Alpha plus beta by 2, that means alpha plus alpha, that means x plus 1 plus alpha plus beta, that means x by 2. 2c s, that means sine. Alpha minus, so x plus 1 minus beta upon 2. So 2 cos x plus x, that means 2x plus 1 upon 2 into sine x and x remove, so sine 1 half. So 2 cos, we try 2 cos x plus 1 half. 2x upon 2, that means x, 1 upon 2, so 1 half, and sine 1 half, which is the required output. Forward differences of tan inverse x. First forward differences of tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 upon through the 1 upon 1 plus x into x plus 1. So first of all, we retrieve this first forward differences of delta tan inverse x. So how to obtain the delta tan inverse x? Whenever we substitute the tan inverse x of tan inverse increasing plus x plus increasing plus in it interval, so x plus h, ત્યારબાદ થાય tan inverse x plus h માંથી ત્યારે આ બને. But we have a interval of the differencing unity are 1, tan inverse x plus x, 1 tan inverse x. So tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta, equation of the tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta is equal to tan inverse alpha minus beta upon 1 plus alpha into beta. So tan inverse x and x cancel, so 1 upon 1 plus x into x plus 1, which is the required output. First forward differences of delta 2 raised to x upon x factorial is equal to 2 raised to x into 1 minus x upon x plus 1 factorial. We prove this term. So here we have given this first forward differences of 2 raised to x upon x factorial. So how to retrieve, how to express this term? So whenever we substitute 2 raised to x upon x factorial from the 2 raised to x plus h upon x plus h factorial, એક આના કરતા વધુ h હોય એમાંથી બાદ થાય આ ટર્મ તો ડેલ્ટા મળે આમ. But here h is the unity, so 2 raised to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 factorial minus 2 raised to x upon x factorial. Here we solve this expression 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 1. Here x plus 1 factorial, that means x plus 1 into x factorial, minus 2 raised to x upon x factorial. Common 2 raised to x upon x, 2 raised to x upon x factorial common. So here 2 upon x plus 1 minus 2 raised to x upon x factorial common, so minus 1. So 2 raised to x upon x factorial, 2 minus LCM, minus 1 x minus 2 minus x minus 1 upon x plus 1. So 2 raised to x into 2 minus 1, that means 1 minus x upon x plus 1 into x factorial. Combine these two terms, 2 raised to x into 1 minus x, so upon x plus 1 factorial, which is this required output. Fourth one. Here, first forward differences of e raised to x. E raised to x. So we can represent, so we can obtain this forward differences by substitute e raised to x minus e raised to x plus h. So e raised to x plus 1 minus e raised to x, e raised to x common, so e minus 1. Here prove that forward difference, nth order forward differences into e raised to x is equal to e minus 1 raised to n into e raised to x. Here nth order forward differences. So first we obtain the first order forward differences. So we obtain the first order forward differences. E raised to x બાદ થાય e raised to x plus h માંથી, but h is the interval unity. So h ની જગ્યાએ put h is equal to 1. E raised to x common, e minus 1. Now find the second order forward differences of e raised to x. So delta of delta e raised to x. So delta of delta e raised to x. So delta e raised to x, value of forward differences of e raised to x, that means this. E raised to x into e minus 1. But e minus 1 are constant. So constant value bar લખી દઈએ, and delta e raised to x. We find already we find the value of forward differences of e raised to x. That means this. So we put this value here, e minus 1 into e raised to x into e minus 1. So e minus 1, e minus 1, e minus 1 square into e raised to x. So whenever we find the second forward differences of e raised to x, e minus 1 square into e raised to x. First forward differences of e raised to x, e minus 1 and e raised to x. So e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to x. So this is our common. So we write nth order forward differences of e raised to x are e minus 1 power n into e raised to x is a common. So prove this term. Note down. Exercise માં ઘણા બધા ફોરવર્ડ ડિફરન્સ ટેબલ, બેકવર્ડ ડિફરન્સ ટેબલ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપેલા છે, બુક ની અંદર આપેલા છે, જે સાથે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરો.